Okay, this is Mrs. Rogers. I'm going to show you how to put your math notebook together again. This is the second try. The first time it was being weird. But when you get your sheet, it looks like this. And when you're done cutting, you're going to have 8 pieces. One of the pieces I've already glued in. It's your heading. And that should go right across the top of the notebook. Next, you want to take your 1/4 fraction piece. And then you have 2 pieces. One that says numerator and one that says denominator. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is glue in your 1/4 fraction. So you want to glue that down right here. Okay, so it's going to be right underneath the heading. And then your numerator and denominator, you have to be careful. The numerator is going to go first, and then the denominator is going to be second. But you don't glue them down flat because we've got the broken line, so we need to fold. So we're going to fold on the broken line as best we can for both of these little pieces. And when you unfold it, you'll notice that we've got a part that has an arrow at the top. See the arrow? So you're going to put glue on the back of the arrow part. That's where we need the glue because we need to be able to flip the flap upward. So you're going to put a little glue there. And remember, the numerator goes first. And then we'll do the second one. Remember, put glue on the arrow side, on the back of the arrow side. And then you're going to glue in the denominator. So it'll look like this when you're done with that part. See that? Numerator, denominator. And we can flip those up so we can write underneath. All right. Right underneath here. Oh, wait, I'm sorry. Let's take this piece. We're going to put this piece in first. So this piece, we're just going to glue it flat. Just going to glue this one flat. Okay? Some glue on the back. Glue this one in right here. Just like that. See? Okay? Now we're going to do the next piece, which will be in the middle. You're going to take this piece that has the pictures on either end and the words in the middle. Notice we've got the broken line. So we're going to fold on the broken line again. And there's 2 broken lines, so we have to fold twice. Once you fold on the broken lines, it's going to look like this, like it could stand up by itself. You want to put glue on the back of the middle part. That's the only place you're going to put glue on this one, because we'll be raising up the flaps and we'll be putting information underneath there. Okay? So that's going to go right here in the middle. Okay, just like that. See? And then we have this piece. Now this piece, I didn't cut it yet because I wanted you to be able to. What I want you to do is I want you to cut that piece in half so that you have 2 squares. Okay? And you're going to put glue on the back of each square. You're going to put 1 square under each of the flaps in the middle. So I'm going to put 1 square underneath this flap because we're going to put a picture on that square. And then I'm going to put the other square underneath the second flap because we're going to have a picture underneath each one of those. See? And then finally the last part is this long strip, and we're going to write fractions for that. If you notice, we have a broken line there, but all of these need to be cut out. See how they need to be cut so they're separate? So you can fold up on each of those now if you want, but I think it's better to just leave it and then put glue across the top here at the back because we don't want to glue all of these down. So straight across the top, and then you glue that down. I know there's a lot of pieces this week. And then we can fold up each door afterward, okay? And this is what it'll look like when it's finished. Okay? And that's all you need to do. Okay? Thanks.